Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to send from GCash to Paymaya. So this is a comprehensive video how to send money from GCash to Paymaya, but we are going to do it vice versa because I'm going to show you why. So of course you need to have two apps, right? You need to have the GCash app, and you need to make sure that your GCash app is up to date. As you can see, it is up to date with us. After that, you need to have the Maya or Paymaya app installed and make sure at the same time that it is up to date. And as you can see, both my GCash and my Maya app are both up to date, so no need to worry about anything. Now, with that said, if you go to GCash, and as you can see, we are now in our GCash, and we only have $7, so we can't really send it to Maya or Paymaya, right? So what do we do? So I need to go to Paymaya, and I'm going to show you bonus. I'm going to show you how to send money from Maya to GCash. So let's do that first. All right, so we close or minimize GCash. So, and then we open our Maya app. All right, now that we are in our Maya app or Paymaya app, and as you can see, we have some money here that we could send. So what do we do? How do we send money from Maya to GCash? So if you tap send, this is not it, because this is from Maya to Maya, right? What you need to do is tap on the bank transfer option here on the top middle left corner of the screen, like so. And here there is a list of local banks that you can use or go to, but for this instance we are going to send our money to GCash, right? So excuse me, let us search for GCash. It's alphabetical, so let's just wait for the G to show. As you can see here, G Exchange Inc. or GCash, that's what we want, so tap on it. There you go. And what we want to do is enter amount, purpose, enter account number and account name. So let's do that. Say 100, right? Or let's say 200, right? Enter purpose, transfer, right? Transfer funds, something like that. Account details, account number. You just need to use your mobile number. So we're going to do that right now. Sorry if I am blurring it out, but you know. And then you need to put the exact account name on that GCash account. As you can see, it is still blurred. I am terribly sorry, but after that, all you need to do is tap on continue. Here, this is going to be the confirmation page. So as you can see here, there is a 15 buck or 15 peso service fee. So source is my wallet, as you can see. It has my number, it's blurred out, and destination is GCash, which is pretty much my number too. And then transfer amount is 200. Transaction fee is 50 bucks, and then purpose is transfer funds, right? So all you need to do is tap on transfer now. Make sure you double check the information, especially the contact number, the GCash account, because if you're wrong, it's going to be transferred to a different account. You're going to lose your money. It's going to be a pain in the butt, right? After that, all you need to do is tap transfer now, and you're going to get a one-time pin, of course. So let's wait for it to be texted to us. As you can see, it is now there. Just tap verify, and you are almost there. Tap done. As you can see, we have now sent our money. So if you, as you can see here, you turn on auto cash now. You have received, as you can see, this is the text, you have received money, right? So now we go to GCash. Let's close Paymaya and let's open GCash. So as you can see in our bank account, before it was only $7 peso 86 cents, right? Now we have 200. So now we do the same thing. We send money from our GCash to Paymaya or Maya. How do we do that? If you tap on send, it's not going to be that, because you have a few options here: send, express send, send with a clip, send to many. If you do express send, this is from GCash to GCash, so this is not it. So go back, and then if you scroll down, nothing here. So go back again, it's the same thing. Tap on transfer. So it's the third option. It's send, load, and transfer. The house icon. So tap that. You're gonna do the same thing we did earlier from Paymaya, which is bank transfer is what we're doing. And what we want to do is scroll down and tap on view all. There's 3 dots. These are all the leading banks, but Maya is not here. So tap on view all, 3 dots like so. And you will be brought to the entire list of banks or online wallets that is available to GCash. So what you want to do, you can just search for Maya here, right? Or just scroll down a bit. So let's scroll down a bit until we see Maya or Maya Bank. And as you can see here, Maya Bank, there are 2 Mayas here. You can either send it to Maya Bank. You need the bank account number, right? If you choose this, again, account name, account number. Or Maya Philippines or Maya Wallet. This is what we did earlier. So we use our Maya Wallet. So for this video, that is what we are going to do. So tap that. And here, it's very similar. Account, as you can see, there's a maximum of 50,000. Account name and account number. So account number is just the same as Paymaya. I mean, as GCash, it's your mobile number. So let's bring back $100. Click done. Account name. Sorry for blurring it, but hey, privacy. Click next, and then account number, which is your mobile number. There you go, and then tap next. You have to put your email, right? So you can have a receipt. After that, click done. And as you can see here, Maya Philippines Inc. So double check your information first, just like what we did with Maya. If the number is correct, the name is correct, and everything. And then scroll down. Tap I confirm. Then tap again. Transaction fee is 15 pesos. So tap pay 115. And of course, you're going to have authentication code again. So let's get the code. Copy. Right? And then paste it. Tap submit. And as you can see here, bank transfer is being processed. And we have a notification that we have received 100 pesos from our Paymaya, from our GCash to our Paymaya wallet. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.